Ready to ditch boring stock footage and unleash your inner filmmaker with AI? Today, we're pitting two heavyweights, Kling AI and Haiper AI, against each other to find the ultimate video generation champion. First up, Kling AI. Head over to their website. The interface is clean and intuitive. You'll need to sign up for an account. Most AI platforms require this. Once logged in, locate the text-to-video prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Type in a detailed description of the video you envision. The more specific, the better. Now, hit that generate button and watch Kling AI work its wonders. Be patient, AI processing takes time. The platform should generate a few different versions, allowing you to choose your favorite. Alright, time to see what Haiper AI brings to the table. Similar to Kling, you'll need to create an account on their platform to get started. Haiper AI offers a slightly different approach. They often incorporate image prompts alongside text. So, you can either use purely text or upload a reference image to guide the AI. Let's try a combination. Provide a text prompt and then upload an image that visually represents the style or subject you are aiming for. This can drastically improve the results. The key is experimentation. Both Kling AI and Haiper AI are powerful tools, but the best one depends on your specific needs and creative vision. So, jump in, explore their features, and start creating incredible AI-powered videos.